Hello and welcome to the KNIPEX Update Plumbing Special. We are coming to you from our headquarters in Wuppertal. My name is Britta Jung and I am Head of Product Management here at KNIPEX. Together with our product training expert, Brandy Bridges, I'd like to show you our latest plumbing tools today. Hi Brandy, great to see you.
Hi Britta, great to see you too, and hello from my side. Millions of professional plumbers worldwide swear by KNIPEX tools. Our 140 years experience in making pliers provides clear benefits for our customers. Well-designed engineering, operating comfort, and quality materials set our products apart. We received very positive responses from you regarding our new products from last year. Let's take a brief look at the 2021 update. The BiX, which we introduced last year, is one of the best examples of truly innovative tools, especially designed for professional plumbers. This small but powerful tool is excellent for cutting plastic pipes.
Depending on the wall thickness, the type of material, and the manual force used, pipes can be cut with the BiX with only a few turns. As Brandy is demonstrating now, with the first turn and only light pressure, we first create a guiding line for the blade. After that, 1 or 2 more turns are enough to cut the tube. The result is a super clean cut edge. Another advantage, the cut part doesn't fall off. Thanks to its compact design, plastic pipes between 20 and 50 millimeters can be processed even in very confined working environments. With hard plastic pipes, wall thicknesses of up to 2.4 millimeters can be cut with ease. With soft plastic pipes, such as PE, wall thicknesses of up to 3.5 millimeters are even possible.
Furthermore, it is suitable for cutting sealing sleeves that are required in Germany and parts of Europe for sealing wall ducts according to the applicable standards.
And it's small and handy enough to go anywhere you need to be. Brandy tradesmen love the BiX.
Well, Britta, get ready for this. That was our motivation to develop another pipe cutter for HT pipes that does some things differently and some things even better. So the first tool to be introduced this year is the KNIPEX DP50 pipe cutter. The DP50 is a pipe cutter especially designed for residential water drain pipes, which supplements the BiX thanks to new functions.
The DP50 is extremely lightweight as it has a glass fiber reinforced plastic housing. The size can be changed to accommodate different diameters via the metal adjuster. It cuts sewage pipes in the 3 most common diameters, 32, 40 and 50 millimeter. There is no need for readjustment, as is the case with other pipe cutters, because the spring-loaded blade exerts enough pressure to cut through pipes with wall thicknesses up to 2.4 millimeters. The self-adjusting guide rolls with slide bearings ensure optimum tube guidance and easy cutting. Finally, the dual-stage blade, which can be replaced without tools, applies a chamfered finish to the cutting edge.
Why the chamfer? The best person to explain this is Andreas Heinzson, the product developer responsible for the DP50.
Ja, hallo zusammen. Mein Name ist Andreas Heinzson und ich bin seit 23 Jahren Produktentwickler bei KNIPEX. Wir bei KNIPEX haben uns Gedanken gemacht, wie wir das Arbeiten im Sanitärbereich erleichtern können. Hierzu haben wir ein Werkzeug speziell für die Installation von Hauswasserabflussrohren entwickelt. diesem einen Werkzeug ist man in der Lage, schnell und sauber Abflussrohre in den gängigen Durchmessern 32, 40 und 50 mm bis zu einer Dicke von 2,4 mm in wenigen Umdrehungen fachgerecht zu trennen. Hierbei spielt es keine Rolle, ob es sich um die ältere Generation von einkomponentigen HT-Rohren oder um schallisolierte mehrkomponentige HT-Rohre handelt. Wollen wir uns gemeinsam das Werkzeug noch einmal genauer anschauen. Sein Gehäuse besteht aus glasfaserverstärktem Polyamid, welches auch einen Fall aus einer Arbeitshöhe problemlos übersteht. Über den silberfarbigen Verstellknopf können wir das Werkzeug in die verschiedenen Stufen verstellen. Die Einstellung können wir dann an der bogenförmigen blauen Verstellung ablesen. In unserem Fall möchten wir gerne das Rohr DN50 abtrennen. Dazu stellen wir die Verstellung auf die unterste Einstellung. Im oberen Teil des Werkzeuges befinden sich Laufrollen in Schwenklagern, die sich an das zu trennende Rohr anlegen und es beim Schnitt führen. Durch die Laufrollen wird die aufzubringende Kraft beim Trennen noch einmal deutlich reduziert. Des Weiteren befinden sich kleine Nuten in der Mitte der Laufrollen. Diese dienen dazu, um das Rohr zum Trennen eindeutig und schnell zu positionieren. Der Vorteil bei unserem Werkzeug ist, dass wir das Rohr von vorne einlegen können und immer einen freien Blick auf die zu trennende Stelle haben. Dazu betätigen wir den blauen Hebel und können nun über die Rillen an den Laufrollen oder auch direkt über die Schneidklinge das Rohr an der entsprechenden Stelle positionieren. Wenn wir jetzt den Betätigungshebel loslassen, klemmt sich der Rohrschneller selbstständig am Rohr fest und der Schnitt kann ohne weitere Zustellung beginnen. Wichtig ist, auf die Drehrichtung zu achten. Diese kann man an 2 Stellen auf dem Werkzeug ablesen. Einmal hier und einmal hier oben. Jetzt ist es euch freigestellt, ob ihr den Rohrschneider ums Rohr dreht oder das Rohr im Rohrschneider dreht. Ich persönlich drehe lieber das Rohr und habe das Werkzeug immer fest im Griff. Nach wenigen Umdrehungen ist das Rohr inklusive der Einführphase abgetrennt. Wenn wir uns jetzt das Rohr genauer anschauen, kann man deutlich die Unterschiede zum BiX erkennen. Die Einführphase erleichtert die Weiterverarbeitung des Rohrs deutlich. Was ist jetzt, wenn die Schneidklinge verschlissen ist? Schmeißen wir dann das Werkzeug weg? Nein, natürlich nicht. Das passt nicht zu unserem Nachhaltigkeitsgedanken. Wir haben sogar immer eine Ersatzklinge dabei. Über eine Schnellwechselachse, wie wir sie auch schon bei unseren TubiX kennen, können wir den Schneidansatz demontieren. Hierzu dient der vordere abgesetzte Teil als Demontagehilfe. Klinge raus, wenden, drehen und wieder einsetzen. Fertig. Natürlich bieten wir den Schneidansatz und die Achse auch als Ersatzteil in unserem Zubehörsortiment an. Vielen Dank und damit zurück an Britta und Brandy.
Thank you, Andreas, for the clear demonstration. The DP50 will be available within the next few weeks in stores. Everything you need to know about it is available on our website. Feel free to have a look at it.
There you will find augmented reality animations and 3D views, as well as easy to understand application videos, and, as you would expect, all technical data is for reference. All information can be found at knipex.com/dp50. Simply click on the link and you're good to go. As you would expect, plastic pipes are not the only thing plumbers have to handle. Metal pipes in copper, brass, or even stainless steel also need to be cut to size on a daily basis. This is more physically demanding and also takes more time. We launched the KNIPEX TubiX in 2020 to make this easier. The quick lock locking mechanism allows for rapid, precise positioning of the cutting wheel on pipes up to 35 millimeters in diameter. As Britta is now demonstrating, the spring-loaded cutting wheel can be accurately positioned in a controlled manner using only just your thumb. Then the TubiX clamps to the pipe by itself. Then the quality needle bearing in the cutting wheel and the guide rolls make cutting incredibly easy and practically without any friction. Today we'd like to introduce you to the TubiX XL, which we say is the big brother of the tried and tested TubiX. The TubiX XL doesn't just look similar to the smaller TubiX, it also has the similar unique qualities.
The TubiX XL has a lightweight, durable housing made from a tough aluminum alloy. The quick lock locking mechanism enables fast, extremely precise positioning of the conveniently spring-loaded cutting wheel. The head, which is larger compared to that of its smaller sibling, can clamp on metal pipes made of copper, brass and steel in sizes between 6 and 76 mm and wall thicknesses of up to 2 mm. Otherwise, it has the same benefits as the smaller model: precise positioning, quick cutting, even for steel pipes, as well as replacing a blunt cutting wheel without the need of a tool and with the spare cutting wheel in the handle. A precision deburring tool is also included.
Everything else is best explained by a plumbing professional. Peter Booth is a professional plumber, experienced pipe fitter, and active on social media as PB Plumber, where he is well known for the quality of his application videos. Peter volunteered to road test the new TubiX XL for us. How he found it? Well, I'll let him explain.
Thanks, and welcome to the back of my van. My name is Peter Booth, better known as PB Plumber. I run a social media page about plumbing and heating, YouTube and Instagram, where I try and promote the plumbing and heating industry and pass on a bit of my knowledge. I'm a third generation plumber, and I remember on my first day of work, my dad saying to me about buying tools: take your time and invest in quality tools because they can last you your whole career. The first set of tools I ever bought, and I remember it to this day, was a set of KNIPEX. Being a lifelong KNIPEX user, I'm honoured and excited today to talk to you about their new tool, the TubiX XL Pipe Cutter. It will cut tube from 6 mm up to 76 mm with a 2 mm wall thickness. It will cut copper, stainless steel and brass, and it's not just for plumbers, you can also cut stainless steel conduit and strip armoured cable. It features a quick lock mechanism so you can quickly adjust it to the size of pipe that you're going to cut. It's a really well engineered piece of kit. There's needle bearings in these guide wheels, which means it will cut with ease. You can quickly replace the cutting wheel when required, and they even give you a spare one inside the handle. This is also available as a spare part. It also incorporates a removable deburring tool, and spare parts are available for this too. If you work on smaller diameter pipes, the original TubiX pipe cutter will do from 6 mm up to 35 mm, again with the 2 mm wall thickness. It has all the same features as the TubiX XL, with the addition of single-handed operation. On a domestic job, working with pipework up to 35 mm in diameter, I'll use my KNIPEX TubiX. But on this commercial job, we're working with 76 mm copper. We're going to use the TubiX XL. Here's how it works. So I've marked the copper tube where I need to make the cut, and then using the quick lock mechanism, open the cutter out onto the pipe, and then all I'm doing now is lining up my cutting wheel with the mark on the pipe and then locking it in place. So with that in place and lined up, a couple of turns till the wheel starts to bite, and then it's a smooth motion. And then all I'm doing is every time I come round, just giving the blue handle a little nip up. And there you can see we've made the cut. This is the piece of pipe we're going to be using. So now we're going to deburr the pipe. So we're going to remove the deburring tool and then prepare the pipe. Okay, pop that back in my tool. So that's my 76 mm pipe cut and prepped. We've also got some 22 mm stainless pipe on this job, which is no problem for the TubiX XL because it goes all the way down to 6 mm pipe. So now I've got my 22 mm stainless steel tube, which we need to cut. Obviously it's a lot smaller than the 76 mm we've just done, and that's where the quick lock mechanism comes in really handy, because we can just go straight onto the pipe like that in a matter of seconds. Same principle, we're tightening it up, and then we start to make the cut. So there's the cut, and then again, the removable deburring tool. Prep the pipe for the fitting, and we're good to go. So that's the KNIPEX TubiX XL. It's a great bit of kit. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out my page, @PBPlumber on Instagram and YouTube. But for now, back to KNIPEX HQ.
Not bad, that was very impressive. Both TubiX and TubiX XL mean you're ideally equipped to cut soft and hard metal pipes. The TubiX XL will be available within the next weeks in stores. If you need more information, they're all ready for you available on knipex.com/TubiXXL. Just have a look.
Our final innovation for the day will provide you with an additional benefit for your beloved Cobra. We know that you are confronted on site with different materials every day, and sometimes you need to be able to grip sensitive materials. Your Cobra shouldn't leave a lasting impression on the surface, which is why we developed these protective jaws made specifically for the newest Cobra generation. Britta is demonstrating now how easily the protective jaws for our newest generation Cobras in 180, 250, and 300 millimeters can be easily assembled. Do you have the newest generation Cobra in your hands? If the fine adjustment space on your Cobra is curved, then you have the newest generation Cobra and you're good to go.
Well, we've now reached the end of today's presentation.
You've seen how the DP50 cuts through plastic wastewater pipes. One pipe cutter with two functions for 3 diameters. The most widely used drain pipes cannot be cut more easily, more precisely, and cleaner. And thanks to the practical chamfer, they can now immediately be installed. And the little BiX will support you as a handy supplement for those confined working spaces.
Okay, but let's not forget our metal pipes out there. The big brother TubiX XL makes it possible to cut larger copper, brass, or even stainless steel pipes up to 76 mm in diameter. With its quick lock mechanism and needle-bearing rollers, you'll slice through metal pipes with ease and precision. Paired with the TubiX, you're prepared for anything the construction site might throw at you.
And last but not least, we showed you the new protective jaws with which you can use your Cobras on sensitive materials without damaging the surface.
Well, Brandy, now it's time for us to say goodbye.
I guess time really does fly when you're having fun.
True. Well, thank you for being here with us today. We hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please visit the KNIPEX website or comment in the chat section of this video.
Stay healthy and enjoy your new quality tools from KNIPEX.
See you soon.